The homework about early retirement extreme. First question, think how could you retire in 10 years? I know it sounds like stupid and non-realistic, but you might force yourself, if you find it very strange to think from this early retirement extreme point of view about everything, but you might force yourself in such situations. Just think about what would you do if all your income would suddenly drop by half. So it happened, just imagine, like you lost your job and you found a new one that pays only half of your income. Or from two of you, a husband and wife, one became somehow unable to work and get any income. This absolutely realistically might happen. And then again, you would be forced somehow to adjust your expenses to your new 2 times smaller income. And then maybe thinking from what the guys from the early retirement extreme community are suggesting might look not so crazy.